Hello, I'm Marial Guttridge and I'm the Equine Events Officer on the Arwain DGC project, which aims to promote the responsible use of antimicrobials in animals and the environment. Joining me today at Ystwyth Equine Centre is Dafydd Jones from Ystwyth Vets, who will explain the importance of the responsible use of antimicrobials in horses.
Antimicrobial resistance, or AMR, is the ability of microorganisms such as bacteria and parasites to survive treatments that would otherwise be effective. AMR is an increasing problem. It is a natural process where microorganisms attain the ability to resist treatments that were previously effective, but there's no doubt that it is increasing, and there are many factors behind that, but centrally it's we need to make sure we're not overusing or misusing medicines. We can do something about AMR. We can reduce the incidence. There are two main things that we can do. We can try and prevent or reduce the risk of infections in the first place, and we can make sure that we effectively treat any infections that may arise. In the first instance, trying to reduce the risk, there are many things that horse owners can do themselves with the advice of the vets. That means trying to reduce the incidence of infections. So, for example, biosecurity is very important. If you've got a population of horses, to not bring an infection into that population, and that might involve some testing, for example, blood sampling. Husbandry management of horses as well is very important in reducing the risk of these diseases infecting the horses. So that's a key component to reducing AMR. And the other one is that when we do have infection, that we get an accurate diagnosis. So contact your vets, find out what is wrong with the horse, what is the disease, and then we can use the most effective treatment. And then it's important then that that treatment is followed the correct dose for the correct time to make sure that we kill the infection. AMR is obviously important for the health of horses, but it's equally important for our own health, and the concept of One Health is central to this. And many of these diseases can transmit between species, so it plays not only an important role in maintaining the health of horses, but reducing AMR will ultimately help with our own health as well.
As part of the Arwain DGC project, equine health clinics are available for horse owners in Wales through their local vets. Limited funding is available to sample and test horses that are showing signs of ill health and are likely to need antimicrobial treatment. There is an opportunity to receive advice from your local vet on the best treatment possible and how to try and prevent similar illness in the future. The aim is that the support available will assist in giving the correct diagnosis, the correct treatment, and therefore preventing the increase in antimicrobial resistance in horses. Please contact us if you're a horse owner in Wales and are interested in receiving support through the equine health clinics.